Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Volvo XC60, 10 services, cam belt just replaced. 2015 on a 65 plate XC60 2.4 D5 SE Lux Nav, all-wheel drive, Euro 6. 2.4 D5 proper engine, four-wheel drive, Euro 6. Just had a cam belt, 10 services, 85,000 miles, £12,795. Looks like a cheap car to me. So, metallic black rear park sensors. Lovely inside, really light coloured leather. I do like that. Alloy wheels in nice condition. Plenty of tread on those tyres, look pretty new. Daytime running lights, headlamp washers. So if we go inside, yeah, vanilla, I don't know. Lovely coloured leather, just looks like a real smart car. Super condition, multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, media player, heated seats. Obviously start-stop Euro 6, fitted mats throughout. ULEZ compliant, got the proper engine in 2.4 D5. And it's four-wheel drive. Power tailgate, because it's an SE. Satellite navigation. Load covers in there. Real super clean in the boot, like that. Press that button. Dead straight. Can't see any shopping trolley marks or anything. Shiny black metallic paintwork. Very nice. Alloy wheels, yeah, they're not corroded or curbed. Discs on the front and pads look very new. Tyres on the front look new. Nice car this, 2 keys, folding mirrors, electric mirrors. £85,000 miles, 10 services, cam belt just replaced, got the heated seats there, got the sat nav, electric seat, memory seat, heated seat, rear park sensors. Lovely that. £12,795. Lot of very nice car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other cars in stock. That is our website address. Now this video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.